Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today to show you the best Uber Eats promo codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching for these promo codes for Uber Eats, trying tons of different codes from Google, also watching YouTube videos and also reading through Reddit. And I've managed to find probably the best Uber Eats coupon codes that's going to get you $100 free credit. Like I said, guys, I've tried all of the codes on Google and very few of them actually work, and if they do work, they don't actually give you much, and they're usually for new customers or on your first orders. But the ones that I'm going to show you work for existing users and new users. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and get these Uber Eats promo codes, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I plan on making many more tutorials to save you money. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. And what you're going to want to do is just head on over to this codes website, www.coldcoupons.com. So essentially, guys, you just got to type it like this into your mobile phone internet browser, cold coupons. And it's going to bring you to this codes website. Now they have game codes on here. They do specialize in game codes, but they actually have a Uber Eats promo code page on here, guys. So just type that in the search bar. Oops, Uber Eats, not Uber codes. Uber Eats. As you can see, there's one verified code, but this works for everyone, so new and existing users. This is an Uber Eats promo code for $100 free credit. So this is literally going to add a $100 balance to your Uber Eats account. Once you grab your code, you can redeem it in-app, and it's going to supply it to your balance. So super easy, it takes just a few minutes. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is unlock your Uber Eats promo code, because these are limited codes. As you can see, there's 900 codes remaining, and this basically prevents people from getting unlimited codes and getting unlimited credit. So to get your code, you need to click on this button here, and then you're going to see a code unlocker, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now essentially, guys, these applications sponsor Cold Coupons, and you've got to complete 2 of the tasks to get your code. That's how they can supply us these awesome Uber Eats promo codes. So as you can see, these are simple things like installing mobile applications such as TikTok, and you have to install the app, open and run for 30 seconds. So if you don't have TikTok, this is a really easy one. You just click on it, it'll take you to the App Store, or the Google Play Store, where you install TikTok, and then you just have to open the application for 30 seconds. There may be other ones as well, such as playing mobile games and stuff. So just complete 2 of them and your Uber Eats coupon code will be fully revealed here. Redeem it in the app, and that is going to get you $100 account credit for free. So head on over to Cold Coupons, and then just navigate your way to the Uber Eats promo code page and select the $100 free credit. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.